Hello everyone, this is Glenn from Telenetic, and in this video I will explain you how you can develop an integration from Framer to Teamleader using Make. As of last week, Framer has finally released a highly anticipated feature, Forms, giving us the ability to use the free canvas we are used to in Framer for designing our websites. And now with Framer Forms you can send data from Framer to a custom webhook. And what better tool to configure a webhook and process this data than Make? In this demo, I will show you how to configure this integration and ultimately store the data in Teamleader to register a lead and create a deal from the form submission. So let's dive in. First, let's head over to Framer and start building our form. You can customize your form however you like, but for this demo, I will keep the styling simple with basic fields. You can find detailed information in Framer's documentation, for which you can find the link in the comments below. Now that our form is designed, we need to configure how the data will be processed. As you can see here, we have several options, but we will use the webhook option to send data to a Make scenario. Let's switch over to Make and create a webhook. With the webhook URL ready, we will configure it in Framer and send a test request to Make to determine the data structure. Once Make understands the data structure, we can start building our scenario to process the data. And in this demo, we will store the data in Teamleader and send a confirmation email to the user. Okay, so I've developed the Make scenario, and as you can see, I built a scenario with different routes, different apps. I used the Gmail app to send a confirmation email, and of course the Teamleader app to register the deal. So as you can see, first of all, we start with sending a confirmation email to the user to confirm that we received their form submission. Then in Teamleader, we will check if the company of the user already exists. If not, we create it. And when we continue, we will also check if the contact exists, and depending on the result, we will create a contact or update a contact. And at the end, we will eventually register the deal and link the deal to a contact. Now that everything is configured, let's test our scenario. So first enable the scenario in Make to process the requests. Then return to Framer, fill in the form details and submit. Okay, so now first we will check the execution in Make to check if the data was processed successfully. So from this perspective, everything seems to work. Now we will check Teamleader to ensure the data synchronized correctly and check our inbox for a confirmation email. So in Teamleader, when we navigate to companies, we notice that a company is created successfully. So now we can continue with checking the contact creation. And there we also notice that a contact was created. Navigating now to the contact also shows us a deal that is linked to this contact with the information from the form. So everything works as expected. Now, when we go to the inbox in Google, we also see the confirmation email, and when we open the email, we see that it contains the details from the forms. So great, everything works as expected. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.